This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR262VFK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.